Hello, Travis with Tetelestai Bookkeeping and Tax, talking today about moving properties, transferring properties between businesses, between entities in QuickBooks Online when you're using multiple businesses in one QuickBooks Online file. So let's take a look. And this is just a sample balance sheet. So let's say we are looking specifically at this building, 123 Main Street. And if we run the balance sheet by business, and again, QuickBooks calls it location, you can rename it to business. Let's say that it's currently owned here by Company A, and we want to move it over to Company B. So we're going to do that with a journal entry. And we're talking about building 123 Main Street. And it's in Company A now, and we want to move it out. Fixed asset has a normal debit balance, so credit to move it out. It's in Company A. That's what we want to move it. For tracking classes, we could use that as well. And we want to move it now, debiting Company B. And the statement close. We'll go back over here to our balance sheet and look at it again. And this is balance sheet by business. Okay, so great. Moved it from A to B. Everything's good. Not so fast. We want to always check that with our accounting formula. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. In this case, of course, QuickBooks won't let that happen or won't let it not match overall, but by company, we need it to match. We want it to match. So there's our check. So to fix that, let's go back to our journal entry. And this is a great idea. I got this from Nick Baldo with Income Digs. We're going to use an intercompany equity account. So this is just an equity account that we've called intercompany equity. And we're going to do this same thing, but we need to make sure our debits and credits equal by company. So that's our rule of thumb. So we have a credit to Company A. And we also need a, let's see, make sure I got it right. Okay, so it helps to just line it up. Okay, so there we go. Talking and typing and moving things at the same time. All right, so our debits and credits match for Company A, and then our debits and credits will match for Company B. Now they do. Let's save and close. And now let's refresh our balance sheet and take a look. Okay, so we still have our asset moved. And let's take a look. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Don't worry about the negatives for now. And everything's great. And again, that's one of the reasons I like Nick's idea, is that's really an accurate picture of what happened, right? Equity ownership went from one to the other. So hope that makes sense and helps. That's the simplest and best solution I've found for moving property, transferring property between entities when you're using multiple entities in one QBO file. Any questions, comments, concerns, conundrums, put it in the comments and I'm happy to answer. Thanks.